Attaining outer beauty comes with a price tag, but true beauty is priceless as it comes from the inside. Recently, Rodial Skincare UK worked together with Global Peace Mission for the launch of the Beauty for a Beautiful Cause campaign at Alexis Gardens Mall. Beauty for a Beautiful Cause campaign is aimed to create awareness on Global Peace Mission's international relief efforts to the society.
Beauty for a Beautiful Cause is actually just a charity drive by Rodial and also Global Peace Mission Malaysia. This is where Rodial feels that we need to give back to the society. So we thought, what best in the month of Ramadan for us to actually encourage people to know about Global Peace Mission Malaysia and the great stuff that they actually do for the society as well. They do all these relief missions all around the world, even in Africa and also Central Asia. So we thought, if it's a good exposure for people to know what they actually do, and also, if Rodial gets a little bit of exposure as well, we thought, hey, that's great. Every Rodial item purchased within the month of August, 10 ringgit of it will actually go towards the GPM efforts. So basically, 10 ringgit of it will actually go towards alleviating the suffering of the world's poorest and also the neediest. So we thought it's actually a very good thing for us to sort of give back to society and again alleviate the sufferings of the world's neediest. Our expectation from this campaign is actually pretty simple. What we want to do is basically have public awareness of GPM's missions and also public awareness of what Rodial is about. So we thought it's a very good thing for us. It's a good opportunity for us to give back to society and also to build brand awareness for Rodial as well. Rodial is actually a total beauty care line from the UK. So it's been established since 1999 and since then it's actually grown in UK, Euro area and also in North America. So if you see in the US, it's actually got plenty of celebrity followings, the likes of Angelina Jolie, Scarlett Johansson, the top names at the top of your head when you talk about Hollywood. They all use Rodial because they actually want to use Rodial. And Rodial is actually a total beauty care line in the sense that we actually offer everything from skincare solutions to also body care solutions for firming and lifting. So Rodial is your household brand name, the Hollywood choice. That is what Rodial is about.
Global Peace Mission fundraising and marketing head Shahrir Asfar mentioned that they are grateful and appreciate the efforts done by Rodial Malaysia and hope there will be more of similar efforts in the future.